Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome to, I cannot actually believe I'm about to say this, episode 100 of CRO Insights. Whether this is your first video you've watched on our channel, or this may even be your 100th, if you've watched all of our CRO Insights, let us know what you think in the comments below. Yes, this may be our 100th episode, but guys, we still only have around 10,000 subscribers. In my opinion, for the value that we put out on this channel consistently for free, we should have way more than that. And a lot of you agree with me. Every single video I upload, you guys say in the comments, this channel is massively undervalued. So I'm going to ask you a big favor. If you're watching this now, please hit that subscribe button. It means a hell of a lot to us. Right, back to episode 100. So I'm hoping my video guy can put in some amazing fireworks, some special effects, make this a big thing, because this is our 100th episode. And for those of you who are familiar with the channel, what we do inside this series is we lift the lid. I personally run and co-founded the largest landing page and CRO agency in Europe, ConversionWise, and we give you a real life view on what we do day in, day out, hour by hour, day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, and have done for the last 12 years here at ConversionWise. So we're constantly approached by companies and brands who want us to take their current pages and redesign and launch them so that they turn more clicks into customers. And here's an example for you today. This is one of my favorite redesigns recently. I think it's aesthetically beautiful, but it ticks all the conversion boxes. If you look at the previous page, it's a mishmash of different colors. You don't really know what's a button, what's a text link, what they're actually selling, and there's no real call to action or value proposition above the fold that makes me intrigued and want to click. Instead, with our version, we have this special offer in the headline, further incentivizing people to go through and book in a call. We have this clear headline that associates with the problem. We then back it up with our benefit-driven bullet points. The fonts are way bigger, guys. Never have these tiny little fonts that you can see on the before design because they're just untrustworthy, or they won't get read. We then have one clear call to action. Compare this with the previous call to action that was a white button on a white background with tiny font and tiny text and didn't explain anything about what happens on the next step. This is going to demand more clicks. We still show a nice visual of the products. And then last but not least, we've managed to get some all-important social proof above the fold on that mobile design, and it's just going to convert way better. If you're interested in converting way better, if you want to trust an agency that's been here for 12 years and design more high converting pages than any other on the planet, get in touch with us. There's a link below the video. Click it now, and I'll see you in the next video.